Thanks, Jane. Well, as we edge ever closer to Christmas Day, the weather eventually is going to be turning colder and also drier as well. But certainly for today, real mixed fortunes, a contrast north to south across the country. This is the picture in John O'Groats, blue skies, sunshine around there. But for some of us, particularly further south, we've got a lot of rain to come still. This area of fairly deep low pressure just moving its way gradually southeastwards. So this is the picture, the skies above St Austell in Cornwall, where it's been cloudy and pretty damp already today, and there's more rain to come. So here's the recent rainfall radar showing where it's been raining over the past few hours. Over the high ground of northern England and parts of southern Scotland, we've had a bit of winteriness mixed in with that rainfall as well, and some wintry flurries moving in over the high ground to the north of Scotland. But further south, this rain is going to be quite heavy and quite persistent, especially through parts of East Anglia, the Midlands, down towards South Wales and the southwest of England. Mild still, with temperatures in the south around about 11 to 13 degrees. But further north, under those clearer skies, it is turning colder, about 5 to 8 Celsius this afternoon. Now into the evening hours then, we've still got some patchy rain, but it'll be easing away from parts of northern England. Still some wet weather further south across England and Wales, but eventually that clears away from the south coast after quite a breezy night. Clearer skies first thing tomorrow morning for Christmas Eve. Temperatures generally a few degrees either side of freezing. So some frostiness, the risk of a bit of snow and ice lingering across parts of Scotland overnight as well. So heading into Christmas Eve then, high pressure sits out towards the west, and we're going to be seeing the winds rotating around that area of high pressure. So coming in from a northerly direction, the blue colours, the cold air mass right across the map for your Christmas Eve. Lots of dry weather with some sunshine, but there will be some showers moving through on this northerly wind, particularly for eastern Scotland, where there'll be wintry over the high ground, and also for the east coast of England, some rain and perhaps some sleetiness around through the day here. Further west, you should avoid the showers, but it's a much colder day across the board, around about 3 to 8 degrees for Christmas Eve on Thursday. Christmas Day itself now, and it's going to be a cold, frosty start to the day with temperatures for most places a few degrees below freezing first thing. And particularly towards the south and east, it's going to stay clear and dry for much of the day. Still quite breezy around that east coast with perhaps 1 or 2 showers. Further north and west, the cloud moves its way in. Some rain later on for Christmas Day. Still pretty chilly with temperatures around about 4 to 9 degrees. It turns milder, wetter and windier for most of us by the time we get to Boxing Day. Jane.